Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPhone 16e to an Android device. Begin by opening App Store on iPhone and Play Store on an Android. Then download free app called Send Anywhere on both, and when it's ready, launch it. Following that, you need to set it up. Let's start with an Android. Hit I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's display. Then tap on Receive next to Send at the bottom. Now on iPhone, hit Allow Full Access in a Library pop-up, it's very important, and whatever you want to in all the other ones. Then hit Send at the bottom left corner, and using all of those categories at the top, choose all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Close in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add, allow camera access and point your Android's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive button. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!